Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Odyssey Architecture reinvigorates a heritage dwelling in Prahran into a contemporary home grounded in understated charm. In Melbourne's inner south, countless Victorian-era homes line the streets. As such, many homes look similar to Prahran House at first glimpse. From the outside, intricate plasterwork, original moldings and period elements are restored, giving the home a renewed sense of grandeur without neglecting its heritage charm. In contrast, however, the rear facade features a clean, rectilinear brick form softened by subtle curves and detailed with steel-framed windows.